Today we got something pretty cool in the mail. Right here we got the Oculus Quest 2. This is the 64GB model. Figured I'd sit down, give you guys a little quick unboxing of it. I am beyond excited to finally get into the world of VR. I was gonna get the Quest 1 when it dropped, but then I was like, there's probably gonna be one that comes out that's cheaper and maybe a little bit better, and Oculus has finally answered my prayers. So yeah, without further ado, let's see what's inside this guy. Before I pop it open, show you guys the front of the box there, 64GB model. On the back, you can see some of the games that they offer, but we don't care about what's on the outside. All we care about is on the inside. So they actually just got this label right here. Looks like I can just peel this all the way down. Oh yeah, I am so excited to finally get into one of these guys. I've never even tried one on, haven't put it on my face, haven't come close. There are some demos up in stores, but of course with the pandemic going on, I'm not really too into trying one of these out in public. So we're gonna slide off the cover right here, and then we just have a brown box with the Oculus logo. And so popping this guy open, we got the beautiful headset right there on the top with both of the remotes. This smells damn good, by the way. I gotta give Facebook some creds. Got a good smelling box, nice fresh odor coming, just radiating the room. So some little instructions on the top here, just showing you, I guess, to pull tabs out of the controller and how to power on the headset. So let's get the stuff out. I am dying to finally pick one of these up. Whoa, so the controller is weird. It's almost a little bit smaller than I expected, I guess. Gotta say though, it feels great in the hand. I love the triggers. Here, I'll let you guys hear them. I love smooth triggers, so that's a plus. Buttons on there are pretty good too. And it also has a, it's hard to show this thing because that ring, but yeah, it also has nice little joystick. So awesome controllers. Just gonna pull both of these guys out. Like I said, they have little tabs in them, so you just pull the tabs basically, I guess, to start the battery. These do run on AA's, which actually sucks, to be honest. I'm really not a fan of that. I'm gonna end up having to buy, I guess, rechargeable AA batteries. Kind of similar to what Microsoft does with the Xbox. I don't know why you don't just make a rechargeable battery. I would just pay the premium for it. Like, it's kind of silly, especially considering the headset itself is rechargeable, of course. It's like you really just couldn't put a rechargeable battery in the controllers. But voila, the headset itself. So it actually comes with a glasses spacer. Yes, this little ring, just if you wear glasses, it basically pushes the headset a bit further away from your face. But I'm gonna put the headset to the side for now and just finish up the rest of what's in the box. So only thing left in here, like I said, I got the glasses spacer and then this little box, which is going to contain all your accessories. There's not going to be too much stuff in here. It should just be the charging cable, I guess. Yeah, this would be a little user manual. Just going to rip this out really quick. Yeah, just basic user manual information and no Oculus stickers. And then we got the charger. So this is pretty nice. They include a regular USB-C to C cable. And then this looks awfully a lot like the Apple 20-watt brick. Oh, that's weird. So interestingly, this is actually only a 10-watt brick. I guess it only charges 10 watts. But yeah, that's all that we got in the little box here. Just the charger and the cable and that manual that I mentioned. And aside from that, guys, looks like there is nothing else left in the box, just this piece of plastic that held the device in. And that is all. So before the video finishes, there's nothing else I really want to do. Just wanted to show you guys what's in the box. But I do want to actually try on the headset for the first time. Like I said, I've never worn any Oculus before. I've never even tried anybody's Oculus. The only VR of any kind that I've tried is the PlayStation VR. And that one was pretty comfortable, but it's also a lot chunkier. This is really lightweight, really small and portable. It's something you can easily take with you like in a backpack or something. So there's a little indication on here just telling you to move the lenses for a clearer view. I guess I'll have to fiddle with that a little bit afterwards. So the lenses come with this little piece of plastic on both of them, of course, just to keep them protected. So I'm gonna peel away both of the little pieces of plastic that are covering the lenses. And then even though there's nothing playing on the screen, there's actually a piece of paper also surrounding the headset, just a little thing, I guess, to protect it from scratches. Let me just get that off. So I'm gonna shut up and finally put this thing on. I'm not even gonna bother the straps too much yet. Wow, so this is actually pretty comfortable. I mean, a lot more comfortable, I guess, than I expected. It's not super heavy, but it definitely weighs down your face a little bit. You will have to kind of use your neck to make sure you're up. But yeah, overall, I'd say this is pretty comfy, even with the default strap. So this right here, this is just the regular cloth strap that, of course, comes with the headset. Facebook and Oculus do actually sell an Elite strap, which is expensive. I think it's like $100 or something, but that's a plastic strap that'll just make the thing more comfortable overall. But me, I'll probably just be sticking with this, honestly. This one is nice because you can just collapse it. So like this, you can put it in a bag or something. With the Elite strap, it's this big hunk of plastic that like stays in place. And they're pretty known to break, actually. So I think I'm gonna be sticking with this one. But yeah, guys, with all that said, I am happy I finally got this thing unboxed. Gonna get into playing some games. Really excited to play Half-Life Alyx, of course. Also want to play just stuff like Super Hot and a bunch of other VR games like The Climb 2, actually. If you guys are interested in picking this guy up, they are out of stock now at a lot of retailers, but they are kind of starting to restock now, at least for the 64GB one. They do make a 256GB one, although to be honest, it's really unnecessary. Most of the games you have, you'll be able to fit on the 64, and if you want to get new games, you can just offload your other ones. Since VR titles are usually pretty short, they're only about like 3 hours, most of the games. So to be honest, I'm gonna end up probably getting like Vader Immortal, playing it, and just deleting it after I'm done, since not really something I'm gonna be replaying a lot. So the 64GB one is good for me. Here in Canada, it saved me $150 compared to the $256, so I'd definitely say it's worth the savings. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna start playing this headset, and hopefully I will see you guys in a review sometime soon. We also got the PS5 coming in this week, which I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on also, which is really, really exciting. So yeah, tech is getting pretty hyped this year, and I'm looking forward to posting unboxings and reviews of all the new tech I can get my hands on. And so, with all that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.